What's up with my family? Right, wait a minute, what was the other hanging? No, that one, there's another one, there's another one.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Right, no, no.
The Jamaican woman, that's funny too.
Listen to me, listen to the magic bones rattling, child. They tell me something. They were melons.
What else do you do?
No, what was I doing just like 2 minutes ago? Apart from my mama used to say, the little girls, they're devil. I'm water boy. Right,
H2O.
H2O. Right, no, wait a minute. What was I doing? There was something I was doing. Something that, what's up with my family, and then there was something else.
I don't know, what's up? I don't know.
Oh, I've completely forgot.
All I hear is what's up with my family.
What's up with my family? Right, okay, no, it wasn't as good. Anything else before I turn the video off?
Cheated by me. No, it's just the one off that video. It says, what the fuck?
Oh, aye. What the fuck do you want?
Never mind.
Never mind. No, what's that again?
Fuck. Fucking
No,
shit,
that
I have
one.
to go.
No, that one. The one with the mother. Going on the cob, yeah.
What?
I like going on the cob, yeah.
I got my hand flushed down the toilet.
I got my hand flushed down the toilet. Hey, any more?
Fuck you. Double fuck you.
Fuck you. Double fuck you. You're such a bitch. You're such a bitch. You are such a bitch. Oh, why do I have so much fun with that? Support the opposite sex day. Anything else? Fucking go ahead in my microwave. I'm not even kidding.
A fucking goat head.
A fucking goat head in my microwave. Right, okay, I don't know now.